सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्त्रं प्रणतोऽस्मि पदं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। भाष्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च नतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। श्लोक नंबर 3। पश्येतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम्। संघमित्रा जी, you can read.
पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणामाचार्यमहतीं च मूं व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता।
पदच्छेदः।
पदच्छेदः। पश्य एतां
You can
पाण्डु
tell the sandhi also.
पश्य प्लस एतां, पश्यैतां वृद्धि, पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्य पाण्डुपदस्मेलनं, महतीं चमों व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता. That's all. Nothing.
शिष्येन धीमता. So kriya padam is
पश्य.
पश्य लोट लकारा। पश्य पश्यतु. Karma is
मध्यम पुरुष एकवचनम्.
okay. Karma for kriya. Darshana kriya.
पश्य तव शिष्येन. ओके. चमूम पश्य
is chamum. Panduputranam magatim chamum. Karma. Magatim chamum. Magatim is visheshana. Chamum visheshya. Whose army? Panduputranam. And this magatim chamum Vyudam. The Vyudam is can be taken as a karma also. Vyudam. Vyudam.
That is also goes along with chamum, right?
Yeah. Vyudam. Magatim chamum. Drupada putrena tava shishyena dhimata.
Yeah.
So etam magatim chamum. Acharya etam magatim chamum. Vyudam, Drupada Putrena Vyudam, Magatim, Chamum, Pashya.
Dhimata.
Tava Shishyena Dhimata Drupada Yudam Magatim Chamum. Pandaputranam Magatim Chamum. So it goes like this. Acharya Pashya, Yudam Pashya, and Yuda is formed by Tava Shishyena Drupada Putrena Dhimata Drupada Putrena Dhimata Drupada Putrena Shishyena Tava Shishyena Pandaputranam Magatim Chamum Pashya.
Okay.
Okay. So the next one. You can read Bharat.
Next shloka, sir.
The same shloka, Padaparichaya. So the individual padams are given. What are they? What is the Kriya? Which is the Kriya padam?
Okay.
What Lakara?
Okay. Pashya, Drushir Dhatu, Kartari Prayogaha. That is Parasmaipadi, Pashya, Parasmaipadi, Kartari Lot, Madhyama Purusha, Ekavachanam.
Yeah.
Then Panduputranam, Akaranta, Pullinga Shabdaha, Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Then Mahati Ikaranta, Strilinga Shabdaha, Dvitya Vibhakti, Ekavachanam.
Yes.
Then Vyudham, Akaranta, Strilinga Shabdaha, Dvitya Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Then Tava is, okay, Dakaranta, Yushma Shabdaha, Shashti Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. And this is Sarvanama also. Then
Sarvanama.
Sarvanama. Okay.
It's not Sarvanama. Sarva Lingeshu.
Oh,
Samana Rupa.
Trishilingeshu.
Sarva means it is in all the lingas.
Trishilingeshu Samana Shabda.
Rupa. Sarva Lingeshu Samana Rupa.
Okay. But it is not the Sarvanama also earlier.
Yushma
Shabda. Yushmad, Asmad, all these things. I thought it is a Sarvanama also.
Yes, you're right, it is Sarvanama. It comes under the Sarvanama category. Sarvadini Sarvanamani, there, the Yushmad and Asmad, it also comes.
Okay. But here we have to take in Sarvalingeshu Samana Shabda.
Samana
Rupam.
Yes.
Okay.
Even if it is Sarvanama has got linga, it can be declined all the three genders, like Tat Shabda, Yatat Shabda.
Yeah.
Can be declined in all the genders. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Whether this Yushmad Asmad comes under Sarvadama, let me check. Sarvadini Sarvanamani, the Sutra, so in that Gana, all the pronouns are listed out. Asmad, Yushmad, whether it's there, let me check. But here, Sarva, it means talks about the linga. The linga is common for the declension is common for all the lingas. That's what he says here, Sarva.
But Tena, for all the lingas, Trishulingeshu Samana Rupam. Okay.
Yes.
Then Bhimata, Takaranta Shabda. Okay, now Pullinga Shabda, Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Okay.
The right answer, yes.
Then Etad Dakaranta Sarvalingeshu. Illa sir. Sarva means I think it is
Sarvanama.
Sarvanama only.
Yeah.
And then Strilinga. Etam is Strilinga Shabda. Then Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. I think before also Sarva means it should be Sarvanama only. Yeah.
Maybe that. Let me check the Gana and that whether it is
Yeah.
there. Sarvanama.
Okay.
Even if it is Sarvanama, other Shabdas, the forms differ with the gender. But here, this Yushmad Asmad, the form doesn't change. But all the lingas or forms are same.
Same. Okay.
Sarva is Sarvanama. The abbreviation is Sarva is Sarvanama. Let me check whether this comes under that category. Just a minute, let me check whether it comes. You can continue reading, please.
Yeah. Then Acharya. Acharya Akaranta Pullinga Shabdaha Sambodhana Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Chamu Ukaranta Strilinga Shabdaha Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. And then Drupada Putrena.
Yeah, Sarvanama, it comes under Sarvanama category. Okay. Asmad Yushmad.
Yeah.
Sarva, Vishwa, Anya, Anyatara, Datara. And Asmad and Yushmad also comes under this Sarvanama category. Sarvadini, Sarvanamani. The Sutra also we saw in the first chapter, first section of the Ashtadhyayi. In Sutra we read, we didn't see the meaning. Sarvadini, Sarvanamani. Starting from Sarva, etc., all these are called Sarvanama, the Sanya Sutra. So Yushmad also is there in that category. So that is why giving Sarva. Why Sarva here? I don't know. The Linga generally is given the Linga only. Takarantaka, what Linga? Okay, instead of Linga, because it is the Linga is common. I mean, the forms are common for all the Lingas. That's why it doesn't mention that. Says that Sarva iti.
Okay.
Yes, Sarva is Sarvanama. Yushmad, even Bhavan, Bhavati, Bhavat Shabda, that is also Sarvanama Shabda. Sarvanama is a Gana, it's a group. A lot of words are there in that. So Yushmad also is located in that Gana. Okay.
And then Drupada Putrena Akaranta Pullinga Shabdaha Saptami Vibhakti, sorry, Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Then Shishyena Akaranta Pullinga Shabdaha Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Yes.
Then Padartha Padikirama, sir?
Padartha. That's next person to read. Vasanthi ji can read Padartha.
Okay. Padartha Acharya Bo Dronacharya. Sambodhanala irukadhu Acharya.
Yes.
Tava Bhavataha Dhimata Buddhimata Shishyena Chatrena Drupada Putrena Drishtadhyumnena. So idellame Tritiya Vibhakti irukka.
Yes, Dhimata Shishyena
Drupada Putrena.
Equivalent meanings illaya?
Yes, yes, we are giving equivalent
adjectives madriya.
Yeah, Tava Shishyena Dhimata Drupada Putrena. Shishyena Dhimata Drupada Putrena, all are adjective. Yes. Drupada Putrena, for that Shishyena, and the Shishya is Dhimata. So Dhimata Shishyena adjective with the adjective, it's for the Visheshya Drupada Putrena. Okay, Padartha is the meaning of the words. Because the padam in this shloka, for some padams, we may not know the meaning, so he is giving equivalent meanings to that. Drupada Putrena, Drupada Putra is Drishtadyumna.
Drishtadyumnam. Vyudam Vyuharupena Sthapitam. Panduputranam Pandavanam Etam Enam Mahatim Brihatim Chamum Senam Pashya Vikshasva.
Ikshasva. Pashya is Lotlakara. It is Drish Dhatu, Parasmipadi. So it's giving Atmanipadi Dhatu, Iksh Dhatu, Ikshasva. So Anvaya is Acharya.
Anvaya
Pashya.
Acharya. Okay.
That is from Pashya. Okay, that is what is going to come later in the Akanksha. You can read Anvaya. Just read the Anvaya.
Acharya Tava Dhimata Shishyena Drupata Putrena Vyudam Panduputranam Mahatim Etam Chamum Pashya.
Yes. Pashya. Kam Pashya, Chamum Pashya. Etam Chamum Pashya. Etam Magatim Chamum Pashya. So you have to keep on connecting the other words to the shloka, starting from the Kriya Padam. That is what is given in the Akanksha.
Yes.
Next one. Vishwadi, please read. Kam Pashya.
Okay. Aganksha. Pashya. Kriyapadam. Kam Pashya. Chamum Pashya. Kam Chamum Pashya. Etam Chamum Pashya. Kidrishim Etam Chamum Pashya. Mahadim Etam Chamum Pashya.
Kidrishim, because it is Chamu.
Chamu Strilinga.
Chamu is like Vadu Shabda. Vaduhu, Vadvau, Vadvaha, Chamuhu, Chamvu, Chamvaha, Ukaranta, Strilinga, Vadu Shabdaha, Chamu Shabda. So he is giving an equivalent to it. Sena, Akaranta, Strilinga Shabda, Dhamma Shabdavata. So Chamu, Senam. Okay.
Kesham Mahadim Etam Chamum Pashya. Panduputrana Mahadim Etam Chamum Pashya.
Yes. Kesham Samandha. Therefore Panduputra. Kesham Panduputrana. Whose great army is that? Sons of Pandus. Sons of Pandus. Therefore Panduputranam. Kesham Panduputranam. Okay.
Kidrisham Panduputrana Mahadim. Kidrishim.
Because Magatim, it goes along with Magatim. Kidrishim Panduputranam Magatim.
Mahatim Etam Chamum Pashya. Vyudham Panduputranam Mahadim Etam Chamum Pashya.
So Kidrishim Magatim. Kidrishim Kesham Magatim. Kidrishim Yudam. Kesham Panduputranam. Magatim Etam Chamum Pashya.
Kena Vyudham Panduputranam Mahatim Etam Chamum Pashya. Drupada Putrena Vyudham Panduputranam Mahatim Etam Chamum Pashya. Kidrishena Drupada Putrena Vyudham Panduputranam Mahatim Etam Chamum Pashya. Sishyena Drupada Putrena Vyudham Panduputranam Mahadim Etam Chamum Pashya. Punascha Kidrishena Sishyena Drupada Putrena Vyudham Panduputranam Mahadim Etam Chamum Pashya. Dhimata Sishyena द्रुपदपुत्रेण व्यूढां पाण्डुपुत्राणां महतीम् एतां चमूं पश्य. Small adjectives.
This qualifies the karma, and along with that, there's the Dhimata tava shishyena, by whom? Idrishena shishyena, Idrishena,
कीदृशेन
Kena Drupadaputrena, Idrishena Drupadaputrena Shishyena. Again, Idrishena, because one more adjective is there, therefore, Punashcha Idrishena. Shishyena Drupadaputrena Vyudam. So Vyudam is the karma. Drupadaputrena Vyudam Panduputranam Nagatim Chamum Etam Pashya. So Drupadaputrena Vyudam Panduputranam Nagatim Etam Chamum Pashya. Okay, next person. You can read.
Can I read?
Yeah, please. Let Lalita ji will
Can
read.
I?
Next person. Yeah.
Okay.
Lalita ji, can you hear me? Okay. Rama ji can read. Kasya Dhimata.
कस्य धीमता शिष्येण द्रुपदपुत्रेण व्यूढां पाण्डुपुत्राणां महतीम् एतां चमूं पश्य. तव धीमता शिष्येण द्रुपदपुत्रेण व्यूढां पाण्डुपुत्राणां महतीम् एतां चमूं पश्य.
Yes. Continue. Asmin shloke.
Okay. अस्मिन् श्लोके सम्बोधनपदं किम्? आचार्य.
Acharya. तात्पर्यं भोः आचार्य, चतुरेण तव शिष्येण दृष्टद्युम्नेन पाण्डवानां महत् सैन्यम् इदं व्यूहरूपेण स्थापितम् अस्ति. इदं पश्य. Yes. So, Boho Acharya, hey Acharya, Dhimata, Buddhimata, Chaturena, Tava Shishyena, Drushtadimnena, Drupadaputrena, Pandavanam, Magat Sainyam. Here he is using Magat. Magat is, Sainyam is Napumsakalinga. Therefore, Magat, idam is there. Idam is Napumsakalinga. Idam Sainyam. Therefore, Magat, idam Sainyam. Or Magatim, Etam Magatim Chamam. So you can change the linga accordingly. You can change the nouns also. Idam Magat Sainyam or Etam Magatim Chamum Senam Vyugarupena Stapitam. That is Vyudam. Vyugarupena Stapitam. Stapitam Asti Pashya. Idam Pashya. Then the next one. This will be Sangvitaji did. Sandhi. Pashyitam. Pashya plus Etam. Pashyitam. Magatim plus Chamum. Another Sandhi. Followed by Al becomes Nuswara. Nuswara Sandhi. Vyudam Drupadaputra. That is also Nuswara Sandhi. Panduputranam Samasa. Pandu is Karanta Shabda. Guru Shabdavat. So Pandoho Putraha Panduputraha. Pandoho Shishti Vibhakti. As far as I explained how this Samasa is formed. Lokika Vigraha, Alokika Vigraha. Pandu plus Shashti Vibhakti. Pratyaya, Nas. Pandoho. Pandu plus Nas. Then Putra plus Jas. This is the Alokika Vigraha. When you do Samasa, just drop the Vibhakti. Pandu Purva Padam, Uttara Padam Putra becomes Pandu Putra. And Pandu Putra, now it's Samasta Padam, declinable. And the Linga of this Samasa is determined by the Uttara Padam. Uttara Padam is Putra. Akarant. Therefore, Panduputraha, Panduputro, Panduputraha. So you can decline like Rama Shabdavate. Panduputranam, Ramanam, Shashti Vibhakti. Drupada Putra, this is also Samasa. Drupadasya Putraha, Drupada Putraha, Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Here also, first we do the Alokika Vigraha. Drupadasya Putraha, from that we make the Samasa, Drupada Putra. And when you decline that, Tritiya Vibhakti is Drupada Putraha, Drupadasya Putraha, Tena. Tena Tritiya Vibhakti. Samasa is Shashti Tatpurusha, Drupada Putra. And Drupada Putra is Tritiya Vibhakti. So, Drupadasya Putraha, Drishtadimnaha, Drishtadimnena, because Drupada Putrena. Vyudam, Vyudam is Kridanta. Vah Dhatu, Ta Pratyaya. When you add Ta Pratyaya to Vah, then Samprasaranam happens. You know what Samprasaranam is? Samprasaranam is the reverse. The reversal of Sandhi. Ik replaced by Yan, that is Yan Sandhi. Yan replaced by Ik, that is Samprasaranam. Ik, Yan, that is Sandhi. But Samprasaranam is not Sandhi. Samprasaranam happens in a particular situation. For some dhatus, when it is followed by Kit Pratyaya, then the Samprasaranam happens. Vakara becomes Ukara. So it becomes Vuk. After that, what happens? You get Yudha. Can anyone say how you get Yudha?
Akara becomes Dakara.
Yes. Okay. Anyway, we are going to analyze this shloka in detail in the Gita, in grammatical analysis class, each word. But let me explain this. Vyudam, how you get. One is Samprasaranam, because it is followed by the Kit Pratyaya. Tha Pratyaya is Kit Pratyaya. So, Vak plus Tha Pratyaya. So, Vakara becomes Vakara. Vakara is, now we have to find the N letters. The N letter is Vakara. Vakara is N letter. The N will be replaced by Vakara. Therefore, Vakara becomes Vakara. And Vuk. Here, a question should come. If Vakara is replaced by Vakara, under some condition, that is when a Kit Pratyaya follows, for some dhatus, the Samprasaranam happens. Vakara is replaced by Vakara. Okay, here why is that? Why is Vakara plus Akara? What happens to Akara then? Remember this, we saw this.
Which one?
This we saw Samprasaranam. Remember? Samprasaranam.
Yeah, we saw.
Yeah, so here the Sakara is replaced by Ukara. Then after that, Ukara plus
Your voice is breaking, Jesus. Continuously breaking.
Very good. I thought, okay. From the very beginning, or no?
No, now it's breaking more. Before also there, but understandable. But now it's breaking more.
Okay. I said no. This is class has been taken through.
Yeah, understood. Yeah.
Okay. If it's not clear, please ask me.
Yeah, now it's okay. Now it's getting better.
So Vakara is replaced by Ukara. Vakara is replaced by Ukara. That is called Samprasaranam. Vakara being a N letter replaced by Ik letters is called Samprasaranam. So here the dhatu is Vakara. So Vakara is replaced by Ukara. But what about Ukara. So this both will be replaced by Samprasaranam, which Ukara only. Another rule, when the Samprasaranam is followed by the H, then Purva Prayoga Sthane, Samprasaranam will be the adesha. Ukara is called by the name Samprasaranam. Ukara is called by the name Samprasaranam. The process is called Samprasaranam, and also the adesha is called Samprasaranam. N letters replaced by ik letters is called Samprasaranam, and the ik letter which replaced is also called Samprasaranam. Therefore, here Ukara is Samprasaranam. The Ukara replaces both the Purva and the Para. Purva is Samprasaranam, and the Uttara is the vowel Ukara. Both are replaced by Ukara. You will see maybe in detail later when the internet works properly. Now let us you understand this much. So Samprasaranam happens. So you get Ukara plus Pratyaya. After that, you know. What happens? Plus ta. Anybody?
Hakara will become Dakara, but before that, Takara will become what?
No, what did you say again?
Yeah, Hakara will become Dakara when followed by Jal, but before that, one
Not
is
before
there.
that, that's right. First Hakara will become Dakara.
Yeah, okay. Okay, two Dakaras will be there again.
After that, Takara will become Dakara.
Yeah.
After that, this Takara also becomes.
One Dakara will vanish. Yeah.
Then
The first Dakara will vanish.
Dakara will vanish, and the preceding.
And the preceding letter will become long. Yeah.
So you get Uda. So Uda is Uda. Upasarga is V. V plus Uda. You get Yuda. Yuda means the array. Misleading is Yuda plus the pair. Becomes Yuda. So Yuda is Akha. Anyway, this part you need to this we have discussed. Some happens, and then Hodara, that is the rule. Akara replaced by Akara, then the Jal follows, or at the end of the Padam, then then Takara is replaced by Ade Dator Baka. No, just Tator Daha. Just Tator Daha. That's Sutra. So by that, the Takara and Takara will be replaced by just Tatoho Daha. Will be replaced by the letter. This Dakara. So you get two Dakaras and two Repa comes. The preceding one will vanish, right? And the preceding bubble too that will get elongated. Bralope Purvasya Dirgo Anaha. By that rule, you get Udaha. We'll talk about that with sutras later. So you get Yuda. That is, he says here, plus the and tag is karmani. Third pratyaya denotes karma. Bhute karmani. Then third pratyaya, we're going to see that third pratyaya We're going to see in the other Sanskrit class. Ta will denote karma. So Vyudam denotes karma. Then Acharya. Acharya is what? Drishyatam. Drishyatam is, you see the second shloka of the first chapter. Already been described. How you get Acharya? Sardhatu plus Nyat Pratyaya. You get Acharya. Please refer the second shloka which has been discussed. So there it is given. So Ang plus Char plus Nyat, you get the form Acharya. That is also a Kradanta only. Then Taditantaha, Dhimata, Matup Pratyaya. Matup Pratyaya, Matup is used in the sense, is given here. You can see the Vigraha Vakya. Asya, Tadasya Asminiti Matup. The sutra is Matup Pratyaya. The Matup whose content is At. Whose content is Mat. Mat is the content. Akara is ith letter and U also ith letter. The content of Matup is Mat. And Mat is Tadita Pratyaya. Tadita is added to Pratipadikam to derive another Pratipadikam. So D plus Mat, you get D Mat. So Mat Pratyaya is added in the sense Asya Asmin Va Asti. Tadasya, that's what the sutra is. Tadasya Tadasmin iti. So in the sense of that which as or that in which, in that sense, Matup Pratyaya is added. Tadita Pratyaya. So Dihi Asya Asti or Dihi Asmin Asti iti Dhiman. Because it is Taditanta, therefore its declension is different. Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Dhimat Shabdaha. It is different from Patat Shabdaha. Patat is Kradanta. Patan, Patanto, Patantaha. Whereas Dhimat is Taditanta. Therefore its declension is Dhiman, Dhimanto, Dhimantaha, Dhimantam, Dhimanto, Dhimataha. So the declension is different. Even though both are Takaranta, one is Kridanta, other one is Taditanta. Okay, the next shloka. Next has been all the shlokas, 4, 5, 6. And read. You can read Sangamitraji. Is my voice clear? Breaking. Is it breaking or is it clear?
Breaking, but
Breaking only, sir.
okay. Breaking.
Breaking. Completely breaking.
Yeah. But we can understand. But
Okay, today we have to manage with this breaking class.
yeah. Shall I?
Yeah, please continue.
Yeah, I'll continue.
If it
Atra
is too much,
Shuramahe.
then we have to stop the class. If it is breaking.
Then and there it's too much, but now it is clear. It's coming back. Then and there.
But if you can make out what I'm saying.
Yeah, we can make out. Yeah.
Yes, Ji.
Okay.
I'll continue.
Yeah,
Atra
please.
Shura Maheshwasaha Bhimarjuna Samayudhi Yuddhano Viratascha Drupadascha Maharatah Drushtaketuschekitanaha Kashirajascha Viryaman Purujit Kunti Pubhojascha Shaibhyascha Narapungavah Yudha Manyuscha Vikrantah Uttamojascha Viryavan Saubhatro Draupadeyascha Sarva Eva Maharathaha Padachedah Atra Shuraha Maheshwasaha Bhimarjuna Samayudhi Bhimarjuna Samaha Yudhi Yuddhanaha Virataha Cha Drupadaha Cha Maharatah No,
All these are sandhi, simple sandhi.
yeah.
Followed by kar letter. Therefore, Visarga is replaced by Visarga is born because of kar letter. Thing is that room becomes repa because followed, because it followed by the letter, therefore Repa becomes Visarga. And Repa again becomes Sakara, because followed by the letter. And the Repa undergo further changes depending on what follows, what letter follows. The Shutva, Shutva, this and this happen. So
Yeah.
keywords are there. Viratascha, Drupadascha, Drishtaketus, Chekitanaha, Kashirajascha, then Kunti Bojascha, Shaibyascha, Vidamanyuscha, Uttamojascha, Drupadayascha. Okay.
Yeah, all names.
That is only Sandhi here. And last one you can see, 1.6. Saubhadra Drupadayascha. You can do the Sandhi there.
Saubhadraha,
Mhm.
Visarga followed by harsh letter. Draupadi.
Visarga followed by Hash, preceded by Akara.
So Visarga is harsh, yeah. So it is turned into U and then O.
Okay.
Draupadeyaha cha.
Mhm.
Yeah. Sarva eva
Yaha
Maharata.
plus cha. Then after that,
Okay, Visarga. Okay. Draupadeyaha Visarga has replaced by Sakara and then that is Chutva Sandhi. Yeah.
next letter, next word.
Okay, Sarva. Okay. Sarva eva Maharataha. Sarva is Sarva only, right? Sarveva. Okay.
Survey. That is a sandhi.
Okay.
Because Maharataha Pullinga. Sarva is Sarvanam. Sarvaha Sarva.
Okay. Sarve will be Bahuvachanam. Okay.
Survey. Pullinga. Survey.
Mm-hmm.
So A is there.
Okay.
Therefore Ayadi Sandhi Yakara.
Yeah, Ayadi Sandhi. Yeah, Yakara is dropped.
It can be Sarvaha if it is Maharataha. Ekavachanam.
Mm.
Bahuvachanam is there. Therefore Sarve. Since Maharataha, therefore Sarve Maharataha goes along with
Okay.
Vachanam. Sarve Maharataha. So therefore Sandhi happens there.
Okay.
A plus A. What Sandhi? Ayadi Sandhi. A Sarve plus Eva. Ayadi Sandhi and Yakara is dropped.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Sarvaya. Okay.
Yeah. Person. Parvatiji, please read. Padatparichayah.
पदपरिचयः अत्र अव्ययं महेश्वासाः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः बहुवचनं अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनं देन् युधि युद् दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्ग सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनं देन् विराटः
Yud is Dakaranta. Dakaranta Strilinga. So Yud. Okay.
yeah
Get Yudhi. Like what Shabda? Yud. Dakaranta Shabda. It says Dakarantaha Strilingaha. So Dakaranta.
Mahat also Mahati will come like that Yudhi
Magat is
Takaranta
Here he said Dakaranta.
yeah
Shabda Manjari, you can see the Shabda, Shuddha Shabda. Yeah, Shabda Manjari with you. Please
yeah
take Shabda Manjari.
Yeah.
Shabda, Shuddha Shabda. Shuddha means hunger. So, Shuddha, Shuddhaha.
okay
Page number
Yeah. Should. Dakaranta.
40.
Okay. Yeah, it is in 46.
Is give me the Shabda number.
46. Shabda number is
Yeah.
59.
Okay. This is a Shabda. Dakarantaha, Strilingaha, Shuddha Shabdaha. So, Shuddha. You know how it becomes Shuddha.
should
Shuddha is first gesture happens, it becomes Shuddha. Shuddha. So two forms are there, Shud or Shud, you can say. Okay. First, Shud or Shud.
Okay.
Shudau, Shudaha, Shudam, Shudau, Shudaha, Shuda, Shudvyam, Shudvihi. Then Saptami is Shudi. And you can see Evam, Yud, Samid, Virud, Pullinge api Bhavantah, Pullinge api Bhavantah, Dharma api Evam eva. So Yud is the Yudhi. Yudhi is
Yeah.
okay. Continue.
Okay. Okay. I will continue, sir.
Yes.
Then Virataha.
Shuddha Shabda for the saying it for the first time. Shuddha.
Oh, yeah, correct.
Takaranta Shabda, Strilinga.
Strilinga Shabda. Okay.
Continue.
Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Next time. Please continue.
Continue, sir.
Yes. Yeah. I think
Okay.
we are not hearing what I'm saying.
No, I can't hear properly, sir.
That's what
Break is there.
break because of internet problem. Anyway, please continue reading.
Okay. Yeah, I will continue. Virataha. So Akaranta Pullinga Shabda Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Then Drupadaha Akaranta Pullinga Shabda Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Drishtaketuhu Ukarantaha Pullinga Shabda Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Kashi Rajaha Akarantaha Pullinga Shabda Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Purujit, that is Takaranta Pullinga Shabda Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
How do you decline Purujit? Pullinga Shabda. It is Takaranta Shabda. Takarantaha Pullingaha Purujit Shabdaha. So that is
Marut.
Purujit will be
Marut. Yeah,
Marut.
Marut.
Marut Shabda. Yes. I think it is given in the example itself, Shabda Manjari. Purujit, Purujit, and
Indrajit, Vishwajit.
so, yeah. So Purujit.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then Shaibhyaha Akaranta Pullinga Shabda Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Yudhamanyuhu Ukaranta Pullinga Shabda Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Uttamau Jaha.
Uttamojaha.
Oh,
Takaranta Shabda. So that Shabda is declined like Uttamojas, Karanta Shabda. Decline like the Shabda.
Sakaranta.
Vedas, remember? Vedas,
Vedas. Okay.
Vedaha, Vedasau, Vedasaha. Vedas meaning Brahmaji, Chaturmukha Brahma. So Vedas, Uttamojas. You will see in the Shabda Manjari, these examples are given. Chandramas, Purodas, and all. So Uttamojas,
Okay.
Jaha, Uttamojasau, Uttamojasaha, Uttamojasam, Uttamojasau, Uttamojasaha, Uttamojasa, Uttamojobhyam, Uttamojobhyam, Uttamojobhihi.
Yeah.
Then check the Veda Shabda. We discussed how it comes and all. Vedobhyam, Vedobhi. Maybe we will see it later. Today, internet being not working properly, so I don't want to discuss that. Please continue,
Okay.
Parvatiji.
Okay. Then Saubhadraha Akaranta Pullinga Shabda Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Then Shuraha
Next person will do.
Akaranta. Next person. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'll do it.
Please. Yeah, please read Vasantaji. Please read.
Shuraha Akaranta Pullinga प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनम.
अकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः विसर्ग वरसिद्धस्वरम्.
What's your question? I didn't get it.
अकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः.
बहुवचनम. So Shura.
You have to say with visarga, not akaranta. Akarantah pullingah. Please continue.
Okay. Bhimarjuna Samaha. So Bhimarjuna Sama. The Pratipadikam. So Akaranta Pullinga Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Yuyudanaha Yuyudana Pratipadikam Akaranta Pullingaha Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Cha Avyayam Maharataha Maharatha Pratipadikam. So Akaranta Pullingaha Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Shekitanaha Shekitana Akaranta Pullingaha.
All these are akaranta shabda. So you can say akaranta shabda. Then viryavan.
Viryavat.
Yes.
Viryavat.
This.
Tata.
Like Dimat Shabda?
Yes, it's like Dimat Shabda, Viryavat. Here, Matup Pratyaya. But Matup will be Vatup, not Matup, it is Vatup Pratyaya. If it is Akaranta Pratipadikam, it will be Vatup. It becomes Vatup. The same sense. Tadasya Asminiti. Matup, the same sutra only. If it is Akaranta Pratipadikam, then it becomes Vatup. Vatup is nothing but Vat. The content of Vatup is Vat. Viryavat. Virya, that is Shaurya, the one who has Shaurya, or the one in whom Shaurya is there. That person is called Viryavat. Viryavat can also mean, Vat means, Vat, it can be in Avyaya also. That is one more Vat is there. Like we say Rama Shabdavat, Putravat. That Vat is like a son. But that Vat is different. It is Avyaya. But here Vat is Tatita Pratyaya, Vatup Pratyaya. So Viryavat, like Dimat. So Viryavan. Diyaman, Viryavan. Is it audible, my voice?
Yeah, yes, it's clear now.
Yes.
Now it's clear, sir.
Sometimes it will be clear. You have to excuse today's class. Okay, please continue. Then after that, Kunti Bojaha, Narapungavaha, Vikrantaha, again, Viryavat. All these are
Viryavat.
Then Draupadiya. These are Akaranta, Pullinga Shabda. Then the next one. Continue. Vasanthi, last three Shabdas are there. And read. Sarve.
Sarve, Sarva Shabdaha. So Akaranta Sarvanama Pullinga Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
Yes.
Eva Avyayam Maharathaha Maharatha. So Akaranta Pullingaha Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam. The next person. Sushilaji, please read Padarthaha.
Atra Asmin Stale.
Atra is
Avyaya.
Atra is in Avyaya. It is in the Adhikarana Karaka sense. Atra, Tatra. Therefore, Asmin. Asmin Kshetre, Asmin Stale. So, it is Saptami Vibhakti. Adhikarana.
Yudhi. Yudhe.
Okay.
In the word. Yuyudhanaha. Yuyudhanaha. Viradaha.
Yeah, all these are names. Yes. Virataha. Okay.
Maharataha. Yodhanam. Dasha Sahasrena Yodhi.
Yodha.
Yodha.
What is Yodha?
One who does war.
What One word is
war,
war.
yuddha,
What is the Pratipadikam? Yodha.
योद्धा योद्धारौ योद्धरः no idea.
How can it be Yodha?
युद्ध ला
alle
Yodhru Shabda, Rikaranta Shabda.
Yeah, yodhr yodhr
Yodhru Shabda. Like Kartru Shabda. Not Pita.
pita pita
Not Pita.
yeah
Kartru Shabda.
pitra shabda yeah
Kartru Shabda. Not Pitra.
kartru,
Kartru. Yodha, Yodharo, Yodhara. So Yodhanam Dashasahasrena Yodha. The Maharataha is the one
10,000
fight with Dashasahasra. Dashasahasra is 10,000. That is Ayutam. Another word for Dashasahasra is Ayutam. Ayutam, Dashasahasra is 10,000.
yeah
10,000, I think the word for that is numeral. It is Ayutam. So the one who can fight with 10,000 people. So, Maharataha. Okay, continue.
drupadaha, drishtakeduhu, chekitanaha, it's all names. Viryavan, Veeraha. Kashi Rajaha, Purajit, Kundi
Bojaha.
Kundi
Kunti Bojaha. Narapungavaha.
Bojaha, Pungavaha, Nareshu Sreshtaha.
Pungava means the best. Pungava is the best. So therefore, Sreshtaha. Nareshu Sreshtaha. Nareshu Purusheshu Sreshtaha Uttamaha ityartaha. So Narapungavaha. Nareshu Sreshtaha. Among the Naras, he is a Sreshta. So Nirdharanam happens. So you see Saptami Bhakti. Nareshu. Okay, please continue. Shaibhyaha.
Shaibehe Raja.
Shibehe.
Shibehe Raja, sir.
Shibehe Raja Shaibhyaha. So it is Tadita. You can see the Adi Vriddhi happening. She becomes Shai. Shaibhyaha. Shaibhyaha. Shib becomes Shaibhyaha. Shibehe Raja. King of Shibi kingdom becomes Shaibhyaha. Tadita. Continue.
Yudhamanyuhu Vikrantaha Parakramashīlaha.
Yes. Parakramashīlaha. Shilaha is the one who is dexterous, has the power, capacity for Parakrama, valor. Parakramashīlaha Vikrantaha.
Uttamaujaha Balavan.
Uttamaujaha is equal to Balavan. Okay. Uttamaujas Shabda we saw.
Yes. Saubhadraha Abhimanyuhu.
Subhadrayaha Puman Saubhadraha. So Subhadra becomes Sau. The Su becomes Sau. Denotes his son of Subhadra. Like Vasudeva, Janaki, Saumitri. All these are Tadita Pratyaya, Tadita words denoting the son of that person, Subhadra. Subhadra, the word is there, Subhadra. But Saubhadra is the son of Subhadra. Vasudeva is the father. Vasudeva, the son of Vasudeva, which is Krishna, Vasudeva. So, Adi Vriddhi happening when you will see when you add Tadita Pratyaya. So, Saubhadraha is Abhimanyuhu. Subhadrasya Apatyam Puman Abhimanyuhu. Okay, continue. Sushila.
द्रौपद्याः पञ्चपुत्राः उपपाण्डवाः.
Yes. Sons of Draupadi. Draupadi, the sons of Draupadi is Draupadeyaha. So here something happens. Draupadeyaha. Draupadyaha Panchaputra. Draupadyaha Panchaputraha, that is Upapandavas. Okay. And there are stories about Pandavas, the sons of Draupadi. I'm reading a book on Upapandavas in Tamil. Some author, somebody wrote Upapandavas. Unknown stories about the sons of Draupadi, the Pandavas. Upapandavaha. Continue, Sushila.
Can I read?
Yeah, please. Please read.
Bhimarjuna Samaha. Bhimarjunabhyam Samanaha. Samanaha.
Yes. Sama is equivalent. Equal. Sama is equal. So Bhimarjunabhyam Samanaha, Bhimarjuna Samaha. Okay.
Shuraha. Veeraha. Sarve.
Sarve, Sakala.
Sarve.
Yes.
Sakalaha. Maheshwasaha. Chapavantaha.
Chapa is arrow. Maha Ishvasaha, Maheshvasaha. So he is using another word for that. Ishvasa. That is Chapa. Maha Chapavan. Maha Chapavantaha. Maha Chapavan, Maha Chapavanto, Maha Chapavantaha. So Maha Chapavat is a Pratipadika. Maha Chapavat, the one who has great Chapa, not Chapa, Chapa, arrows. Maharataha eva, Maharata. Doesn't change. Okay, next one. Ambiya. Sorry, it's not
Can I read?
Next person. Anybody wants to read, please read.
Can I read?
I called your name, you didn't respond. Please.
No, I think the mic is not working properly, so
Okay, please read.
Is it audible? Okay.
It is. My voice is audible?
Okay. Anvayah. Atra Yuyudanaha Virataha Maharataha Cha Drupadaha Drishtaketuhu Chekitanaha Viryavancha Kashirajaha Purujit Kuntibojaha Narapungavaha Cha Shaibyaha Vikrantaha Cha Yudamanyuhu Viryavancha Yudamanyuhu Viryavancha Uttamaujaha Saubhadraha Draupadeyaha Cha Iti Bhimarjuna Samaha Shuraha Sarve Eva Maheshwasaha Maharataha Santi.
Yes. Please continue. Akanksha.
Akanksha. Maheshwasaha Santi. Kidrishaha Maheshwasaha Santi. Shuraha Maheshwasaha Santi. Punascha Kidrushaha Shuraha Maheshwasaha Santi. Bhimarjuna Samaha Shuraha Maheshwasaha Santi. Ke Punaha Bhimarjuna Samaha Shuraha Maheshwasaha Santi. Yuyudanaha Virataha Maharataha Cha Drupadaha Drishtaketuhu Chekitanaha Viryavancha Kashirajaha Purujit Kuntibojaha Narapungavaha Cha Shaibyaha Vikrantaha Cha Yuyudamanyuhu Yudamanyuhu Viryavancha Uttamaujaha Saubhadraha Draupadeyaha Cha Iti Bhimarjuna Samaha Shuraha Maheshwasaha Santi.
Ke Santi All these
They
names,
Santi. They are
all these names are
these names.
Santi.
They are all present. Yuyudanaha Virataha
Read
Draupadeyaha
all the names.
iti
Yes. Yudhana, starting from Yudhana,
Suraham
Draupadeyaha
Yaha
iti,
Santi.
Bhimajana Samaha Shuraha Mheshwasaha Kidrishaha. So you can read.
They are all Kidrishaha Santi. They are all Maharataha.
Bharatas. Okay.
Maharata. Yudhanaha Virataha Draupadeyaha cha iti Bhimajana Samaha Shuraha Kati Maheshwasaha Maharataha Santi. Kati Maheshwasaha Maharataha Sarve eva Maheshwasaha Maharataha Santi.
There is some problem in your side also. Your voice also is interrupted.
That's why I was using the headphones. Then I thought it is not working, so I just now.
Okay. Next person to read. My voice is breaking and your
See, Kati is like how many, right?
yeah, because survey is there, therefore Kati. How many? Everyone. Everybody.
Okay.
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 Ramaji, please read. So you can read only from Draupadeyaha cha, Bhimajana Shuraha, from that, because all these are the names. You need to read every time. So Bhimajana Samaha Shuraha Kati. Kati Mageshwasaha. Kati Mageshwasaha Maha. In fact, that one is enough. Kati Mageshwasaha Maharataha Santi. Sarve. How many you are asking? All of them. All of them are Maharata and Mageshwasa. So Sarva is the answer. We don't know Sarva will be the answer, right? Therefore we ask Kati. How many? Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Na, Sarve eva. Therefore Kati. This exercise is useful for you to frame a question. Okay.
Yeah.
So Kati, you get it out here now. Why Kati? How can Kati be? Because we don't know the number. Therefore Kati.
Okay.
Yeah. Ramaji, please continue.
Yeah. कुत्र युयुधानः विराटः द्रौपदेयाः च इति भीमार्जुनसमाः शूराः सर्वे एव महेश्वासाः महारथाः सन्ति. युधि युयुधानः विराटः.
For Yudhi, it's such a long question. Kutra Santi. Yudhi Santi. That's all. Kshetre Santi.
Kutra
Yudhi. Yudhi is Saptami. So, Stale, Yuddha Kshetre, Dharma Kshetre, Kurukshetre, Santi. Ke Santi, Mageshwasaha, Maharataha Santi. Kesham Nama Kim. Then you have to tell all the names. Yudhanaha, Virataha, Drupadaha, Iti. Please continue, Ramaji.
Yeah. Kasyam Yudhi, Yuयुधानः विराटः द्रौपदेयाः च इति भीमार्जुनसमाः शूराः सर्वे एव महेश्वासाः महारथाः सन्ति. Answer is Atra Yudhi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Reading this, it helps in spoken. And see, Samskrita Bharati has published this book. The same thing, but you see, they have taken effort to print, to form this Akanksha. The Akanksha, the same things are repeated. You can see the same thing is being repeated. The question is repeated for only one answer, the whole question will be repeated. Anyway, it's good. Continue, Tatparyaha.
अत्र पाण्डवसैन्ये युयुधानः विराटः इत्यादयः भीमार्जुनसमाः शूराः सर्वे धनुर्धराः महारथाः एव सन्ति.
So you're giving the Tatparyam. Santi, Ke Santi, Maharataha Santi. Dhanurdharaha. Mageshwasaha Dhanurdharaha. So Dhanum Dharati. So Dhanurdharaha. The wielder of Dhanus. And Maharataha Santi. Sarve eva. Shuraha. Sarve Shuraha. Bhimarjuna Samaha. Bhimarjuna Samaha. Equivalent to Bhimarjuna. Bhimarjuna Samanaha. Bhimarjuna Samaha. Ityadayaha. Putra Asmin. Pandava Senayam. Or Pandava Sainye. Pandava Sainye. Yudhi. Sainya. Okay. 1 minute. Yudhi is giving Pandavas Sainya. Yudhi is the Yuddha, Kshetra. The meaning of the word Yudhi.
Yuddhe is
Yuddhe. Yuddhe is the Yuddha Kshetra, in the battle, in the fight. Yuddhe. Anyway, he has given Pandavas Sainya. It's okay. Pandavas Sainya. Battle means in the Pandavas Sainya. Pandavas Sainya, Pandavas Sainaya. Continue.
Yeah. व्याकरणं सन्धिः शूरा महेश्वासाः सूराः प्लस् महेश्वासाः विसर्गसन्धि
No Sandhi, therefore when you chant Gita, you know where to, when you split where to stop and to add Visarga. Otherwise, don't know Sandhi. Then Shura is, suppose you are pausing there. You cannot say Shura. No, because Sandhi is known, therefore you will clearly add Visarga, Shuraha. So, Sandhi is very important. Sandhi knowledge is very important. That is the first thing in the language to learn. Yeah, please continue.
Yeah. Maheshwasa Bhimarjuna Samaha. Here Maheshwasaha Bhimarjuna Samaha. Visarga Sandhi. Then Bhimarjuna Sama Yudhi. Here also Bhimarjuna Samaha plus Yudhi. Visarga Sandhi has happened.
Here that, confusion is possible. Yudhi is Strilinga. Bhimarjuna Sama is also is there. Therefore, that also Strilinga. No. Yudhi is Saptami. And Bhimarjuna Samaha goes along with the other words which qualifies this. Bhimarjuna Samaha. Which qualifies this, or other words are qualifying this, whatever it may be. So it is Bhagavachanam, Samaha, not Sama. Confusion can come because it came for me when I was studying. That's why I'm saying Yudhi is there. So all this possible confusion. Okay. Please continue.
Okay. Yuyudhano Virataka. Yuyudhanaha plus Virataka. Visarga Sandhi. Should I read that, Sharandi? Sakara.
Go ahead. Just quick, read the names. The Sandhi we have seen.
Yeah. Then Viratascha, Virataha plus cha. Drupadascha, Drupadaha plus cha. Drishtaketush Chekitanaha. Drishtaketuhu Chekitanaha. Then Kashi Rajascha, Kashi Rajahacha plus cha. Kunti Bojascha, Kunti Bojaha plus cha. Shaibhyascha, Shaibhyaha plus cha. Udana Manyuscha, Yudha Manyuhu plus cha. Vikranta Uttamaujaha, Vikrantaha. மேல இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் சுத்துவ சந்தி. Now again விசர்க சந்தி. விக்ராந்த உத்தம மௌஜாஹா. விக்ராந்தஹ plus உத்தம மௌஜாஹா. Then உத்தம மௌஜாஷ்ச again சுத்துவ. உத்தம மௌஜாஹா plus tha. Then சௌபத்ரோ திரௌபதேயாஹா. சௌபத்ரஹா plus திரௌபதேயாஹா விசர்க சந்தி. Then திரௌபதேயாஷ்ச திரௌபதேயாஹா plus cha utvam. Then sarva eva, sarve plus eva. Ayadi and padanda yakara lopaha.
Yes.
Then pratibha.
Next one, Sangamitra, please read. Missed anyone, please you let me know. Okay, if you have missed calling anybody's name, then please.
Maheshwasaha, Mahan Ishwasaha Yeshante Bahuvrihi. Bahuvrihi.
Ishvasa is means chapa. Maha Ishvasaha means not talking about the arrows. It's talking about the one who has these arrows, the wielder of the weapons, right? So Maha Ishvasaha Yasya Saha or Yeshamte. Yasya Saha or Yeshamte. That is one is Ekavacham, other one is Bahuvacham. So Mahan Ishvasaha Yasya Saha, the one who has Ishvasa, which is Mahan, which is great. So Bhagavad Gita qualifying the Bhimarjuna Samaha. Maharataha. Okay, then.
Bhimarjuna Samaha, Bhimascha Arjunascha Bhimarjunau
Dvandva
Dvandvah,
samasa. Yes.
Bhimarjunabhyam Samaha, Tritiyas Tatpurushaha.
Up to this.
Ye-
Bhimascha Arjunascha Bhima Arjuna. It is Dvandva. Dvandva always will be in Dvivachanam, dual form. So Bhima Arjuna Abhyam equivalent to Sama is there. Sama is there when you will have Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay. So Bhima Arjuna Abhyam Samaha Samaha. Bhima Arjuna Abhyam Samaha if it is Ekavachanam. Bhagavachanam Samaha. So Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa. Tatpurusha Samasa Uttara Padam is Pradhanam. Uttara Padam is Pradhanam, and the Purva Padam you will see connected to the Uttara Padam by different vibhaktis. Could be Shashti, Tritiya, Dvitiya, Panchami, like that. Okay. Continue.
Bhimarjunayoho Samaha Itiva Shashti Tatpurushaha.
That is also possible. Either Tritiya Tatpurusha or Shashti Tatpurusha. Bhimarjunayoho Samaha. Bhimarjunayoho is Shashti Bhakti. Bhimarjunabhyam Tritiya Bhakti. So both are okay. You can call it as Tritiya Tatpurusha or Shashti Tatpurusha. It is Tatpurusha Samasa.
Like Ramena Sahaha or Ramasya Sahaha. Like both we can use. Lisa.
Ramasya Saha. Saha will
Ramasya?
go along with only Tritiya.
Saha means what do you mean by Sama? Okay.
Ramena Samaha or
Yes.
Ramasya
Yes.
Samaha.
Yes.
Okay.
She is using Sama, but because Sama, I said qualifies Tritiya Bhakti, therefore Saha she brought in. Sama,
Okay.
there are some words which will qualify Tritiya Bhakti.
Okay.
Okay, it's correct. What you said is correct. Ramena Sama or Ramasya
Ramasya Samaha. Okay. Okay.
equal to Rama, equivalent to Rama. Okay.
Okay.
Maharatha Mahan Ratha Yasya Saha Bahuvrihi.
See here you say it's a good example. Two words are there. One is Magat. Mahan is Magat Shabda. Other one is Ratha. Ratha is Pullinga, therefore Mahan. Suppose if it is Strilinga, then it will be Magat. Magat Chatram. Suppose Chatra, I'm saying Chatra is umbrella. Magat Chatram. Magat Chatram Yasya Saha Magat Chatraha will come. The one who has got a huge umbrella. So here the Magat and Ratha, two words are there. None of these words are Pradhanam. None of these words indicate what something different from what these words individually indicate. That is called Bahuvrihi. Anya Pada Pradhana. These words, these two words indicate other than what they mean. So it denotes a person. It doesn't denote Magat. It doesn't denote Ratha. The one who has this Ratha is called Maharataha. So Mahan Rataha Yasya Saha. The one who has Yasya Purushasya Narasya Mahan Rataha Asti Saha Maharataha. Okay, you can expand this in the form of a sentence. You will understand what is this Vigraha. This is called Vigraha Vakya. Mahan Rataha Yasya Asti Saha Maharataha. Yasya Samipe Yasya Rataha Asti. Saha Rataha Mahan Asti. Ataha Saha Maharataha. Right? Clear?
Okay. Yes.
So Bahuvrihi will be like this. So when we Vigraha Vakya, don't be confused. It is very simple.
Okay.
Mahan Rataha Asti Asya Yasya. Therefore he is called Maharataha. Okay, continue.
Narapungavaha Pumanschaso Gauscha Pungavaha Shreshtaha Karmadharayaha. Pumamschaso.
Pumamsha Aso.
Pumamsha Aso. Okay. Pumamsha Aso.
Pumamsha Aso. Gauscha Narapungava. Pung plus Gava is that. Okay. Gauscha is
Gava. Okay. Go.
Gau. Gau, Gavo, Gavaha. So here is Karmadharya. Puman is person. Pumancha. So go here it is great.
Human.
It is a
Okay.
human
Nara
being,
is
but it is great. Pumancha aso goscha Pungavaha means Sreshtaha. Now Nareshu Pungavaha Narapungava Saptami Tat Purusha Samasa. So the word Pungava is Karmadaraya and Narapungava is Karmadaraya Garbha Saptami Tat Purusha Samasa. Narapungava has got the word Pungava. The Pungava is Karmadaraya. Therefore, it is Narapungava, the Samasa is Garbhadaraya Garbhadaraya Garbha Saptami Tatpurusha Samasa. That is Saptami Tatpurusha Samasa has got Karmadaraya in its Garbha, in its womb. The word Pungava is Karmadaraya. And that is a part of the word Narapungava. Narapungava is Saptami Tatpurusha. Therefore, we say Karmadaraya Garbha Saptami Tatpurusha Samasaha as a whole word for this Narapungavaha. Nareshu Pungavaha Narapungavaha. Pumamsha aso goscha Pungavaha. Pumancha aso goscha. That's all. It is Pungavaha. This Karmadarya is that in which both the padams are pradhana. The words, the samasa, they are important. We'll see, and I'll give some examples later. So he is Puman and he is Gau. That is the meaning. Ramascha aso Ishwarascha. Rameshwaraha. He is Rama and he is a Lord. Ramaha cha. Saha Ramaha. Saha Ishwaraha. Api also. Saha Ramaha. Saha Ishwarascha. Ramascha Ishwarascha. This is the Vigraha Vakya. Ramaha cha aso. Aso means he. Because Ramaha is Pullinga. So therefore we use aso. Ramaha cha aso Ishwaraha. He is Rama and he is the Lord. Therefore, Rameshwaraha. Karmadaraya Samasa.
As well as.
Yeah, it's the same word. Rameshwara can be Bhagavadgita. That is also possible. Tatpurusha also. But if you want to Karmadaraya, it is possible. Okay.
Okay.
Next one.
Okay. Uttamaujaha. Uttamam Ojaha Yasya Saha Bahuvrihi. Uttamam Ojaha.
Yeah. So here talks about the person. Uttamam. Uttamaojaha is Uttama plus Ojaha. What is the meaning of Ojaha? Let me check. Ojaha. Let me check. Ojaha. Uttamaha. Ojas is brilliance, I think. Let me check. Ojas Shakti we say, no? Ojas, the light, the brilliance. That may be the Ojas. That means the people who have got the brilliance, the shining, the splendor. That's the Ojas. Okay, we can check the meaning later. The Uttamam Ojas is a Ojas. Uttamam Ojaha Yasya Saha Uttamojaha. Okay. Ojas could be a Napumsakalinga Shabda. Not Napumsakalinga. Yeah, it may be Napumsakalinga Shabda. Ojas. Can check later. I think it's Napumsakalinga. Then only it will come. Manas Shabdavada. Ojas. Sakarantaha. Napumsakalinga. Ojas Shabda. It must be. So Ojaha. Manaha Manasi. Ojaha Ojasi Ojamsi. So Uttamam Ojaha. Uttamam is great. The one who has great brilliance, splendor. Yasya Saha. Doesn't talk about Uttama, doesn't talk about Ojaha. The one who has that. So Uttamam Ojaha Yasya Saha. Saha Uttama and Oja. These are the two words. Uttama and Oja. The name of Uttamam is Uttama and Ojaha is Oja. So it becomes Sandhi. This is called in Samasa. Samasa, Sandhi is Nitya. Samasta Ekapade Nitya Sandhi. We saw that. Within a Samasa, Sandhi is a must. So Vriddhi Sandhi happens. Uttama Oja. Okay. Continue. Then Kridanta.
Kridantah yudhi. Yud plus quip. Bhave yud tasyam.
Pip pratyaya is a zero suffix. It means all the varnas become lopa. Nothing remains. Yud plus pip. The content of pip is shunya. Nothing remains. All are Rita letters. But it will convert the dhatu yud to the pratipadikam. So yud plus pip equal to yud. But the yud on the left hand side is on the right hand side.
Dhatu. Yeah.
One is
The
dhatu.
dhatu becomes the pratipadika.
Pratipadikam.
Okay. Okay.
So zero suffix. Like in English, we have zero suffix. Like walk plus er, walker. Talk plus er, talker. Denotes a person, the karta of the action. What about cook plus er? Cook plus er, not cooker, becomes cook. That er is lopaka bhavati. Like pip pratyaya. It vanishes. Cook.
Okay.
Cook doesn't become cooker. We are talking about a person, so it becomes cook. So similarly, pip also. Zero suffix pratyaya.
Okay.
Please continue. Next one, taditanta.
Tadhitantaha viryavan. Virya plus matup. Viryam asya asmin va asti.
Viryam asya asti or viryam asmin asti. Anyway, you can say asya or asmin. So matup pratyaya is used. Matup is added to the pratipadikam which ends with akara. Otherwise vatup will come. Okay. Otherwise, not
Virya.
I
Is it
studied the other way. I studied the other way. That is vatup pratyaya will come. Vatup pratyaya will come if it is akaranta. If the pratipadikam ends with akaranta, vatup pratyaya will come. If it is other than that, vatup will come. So here it says virya plus matup. Virya plus matup. That what will happen to matup? It will be replaced by vatup. So therefore you get viryavat.
Okay.
So utsarga is matup. Apavada is vatup. Utsarga is matup. Matup is added in the sense of asya asmin iti. If the pratipadikam is pratipadikam ends with the pratipadikam means the virya, that is the pratipadikam. It ends with akaranta, then matup will become vatup. So you get viryavat. Is my voice audible?
Yeah.
Breaking.
You said like akaranta if ending. Akaranta ending will get vatu pratyaya. That's what
You'll
you're
get
saying.
vatup.
Yeah, for akaranta ending pratipadikams.
Utsarga pratyaya is
For
matup.
other than that, we will get matup.
Exactly. Yes, that's what I said.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
But while writing, we have to write virya plus matup only, na, sir?
Because
Then
he is
when we
giving
will
the
write vatup.
yeah, matup will become vatup. He is giving the main pratyaya. Okay.
Okay.
The pratyaya where this meaning is given asya asmin iti. So he is giving that because it is vakara. That is because it is akara. Therefore, matup becomes vatup. That we need to understand that. Add matup.
Okay. Always we are adding matup, but
Matup
okay.
only.
Always we are adding matup. When akara comes, we are replacing with matup. That's it.
Replacing by vatup. Yes.
Okay.
Otherwise, you will not get the form viryavat. You will get viryamat. There is no viryamat.
Yeah, correct. That's what I was also thinking.
Whereas we have buddhimat, dhimat, there matup is added. Why? Because all these are
buddhi, ikaranta. Okay.
non-akaranta shabda. Therefore, there matup only. So matup is utsarga, matup is apavada.
So, but writing always we have to write matup only. No vatup.
You can write vatup also, no problem. You can write now. Why not?
Oh, okay.
You can write.
Okay.
Here he is writing. It shows that because matup is known pratyaya, it's a utsarga pratyaya, famous pratyaya. So writing that he shows it's a tadita pratyaya. That's all. Okay. Next one.
Shaibhyaha shibhi plus nyang.
Shanj.
Raja. Okay. Shyang. Okay.
Plus
Shyang.
shanj pratyaya.
Raja ityarthe Shibehe Raja.
Yes, there is a sutra for that. In the sense of Raja, for a kingdom, then you need to add. But the Tadita is a very big topic. The Shanj Pratyaya,
Sure.
that here the ith letter is Nakara is there. So because of that, Adi Vriddhi happens. She will become Shai. And the away. E of Shibi, B, that E is there, E will go away. So Shaib, then you get the content of Shanj Pratyaya is Ya only. So you get Shaibyaha. Those things we will see later. Get because
Okay.
yeah, those other details will come. We will see later.
Okay.
Then the next
Saubhadraha Subhadra plus An.
and apatyarte and pratyaya. And also tadita pratyaya. Here you can see the nakara, more than nakara. More than nakara or nakara, when this comes, then adi vriddhi happens. When these are in tadita pratyaya, adi vriddhi happens. So it will become sau. Then dra, that also goes away. So, and this akara, that akara is there, that's added, you get Saubhadra.
Subhadrayaha Apatyam Puman.
Son, apatyarte. Subhadrayaha putram, apatyam, Puman. That is a bigger.
Okay. Draupadi Drupada plus An Apatyarthe. Drupadasya Apatyam Stri.
Three. So here it is the daughter, therefore Stri. Drupada, Dru
Puman is son. Okay.
becomes Au. Dru becomes Au. So you get Draupadi.
Draupadeyaha.
Yeah, but
Draupadi.
if it, because it is Strilinga, therefore something happens to the Pratipadikam.
Okay.
The last one.
Draupadeyaha Draupadi plus Duck.
Duck
Apatyarthe. Draupadyaha Apatyani Pumamsaha.
Pumamsa. Puman, Pumamsa, Pumamsa. Bhagavachanam. Okay. Pumamsa. Bhagavachanam. See, now you can see the pratyaya and pratyaya. All these are apatyartha pratyaya. Apatyartha is there. In the Uttarapada, the Tadita section, apatyartha adhikara, there you will find these pratyas added in the sense of apatyartha. So Draupadi plus, if it is Pratipadikam is Draupadi, I mean, ending with E and all, then you add Dak pratyaya. There are some rules, okay. So Draupadi plus Dak. Here Dak will not cause any Adi Vriddhi. So Draupadi will remain as Draupadi. The content of Dak is Akara only, because Kakara and Dakara is a letter. So Draupadi plus A will become Draupadeya. Guna happens. Then E becomes A.
Yeah, Draupadeya.
It is Kit. Why? How can Guna happen? No, in Tadita it will happen. Only in that will not happen. But in Tadita, Guna will happen. Iticha, by that, Guna will happen. So Draupadi will become Draupadi. And Draupadeyaha comes. Okay. So don't worry about this too much about this Tadita and the Pratyaya. But you get some idea. Apatyarte, Apatadikara.
Yeah.
Some idea you will get. That is enough. So with this is done. Next shloka we will see. We will say in the next class. I sent shloka Dayananda Panchakam. Did you see that? There is a typo.
Yeah.
Yes, there is a typo. Just showing the typo there. Before that, do you follow the
Dayananda Panchakam 1 or
number 2?
2? Okay.
Dayananda Panchakam number 2. Can you all follow the meaning of this?
Yeah, it's simple. Yeah, it's
Simple shloka. Karo Purna Varno Vai Uttaro Yakarastha Daya Shabdartha Rupatvat Dayet Abhidiyate. Daya iti Abhidiyate. आकारस्तु दया तस्य आनन्दस्वरूपतः आकारानन्दहेतुत्वात् दयानन्देति कथ्यते। सदानन्दाय पूर्णाय चिदानन्दाय रूपिणे आचार्येन्द्राय शान्ताय. Here it is Nama. Namo it was there. It was changed to Nama. Namo Ananda Murtaye. This is one typo which I observed. Tattah Parataram Nasti Lokeshu Uttamochanaha Namachitte Sadastitvam Sridaya Murtaye. Bhuktidatre Jnanadatre Muktidatre Namo Namaha Shishyapriyaya Divyaya Smitam Kagite Namaha. Simple one. Today is good. So I thought something came to my mind and I wrote. I don't
Okay.
because complete in 5 so that I can call it as a Panchakam. Right? Panchakam. There is nothing called three shlokas. We don't have any name for it. Maybe there, but we don't have Panchakam, Shatkam, Ashtakam, Dashakam. So I read for the last 2 shlokas. Just in Chaturthi Bhakti, Namo.
Nice, nice.
Okay, we'll stop here. Ashadhyaya class, we'll love it next week. Next week, let us see. On Thursday, we can have. Let me get later. This class we will
Okay.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Gee, you asked about that Kuruvanti, no? I was thinking about that. The rule padi actually ஆகணும் பட் ஆனா அந்த லாஸ்ட் அந்தி வந்து ஜில இருந்து வந்ததனால மாறலியோன்றது மட்டும் தான் எனக்கு தோணுச்சு, வேற எதுவும் தோணல.
Kuruvanti, when did I ask this question?
Last class. I mean before I didn't. That is on the last Sunday.
Let me explain that Kuruvanti. See, Kurudhatu, I'm not getting into too much details, but just that why that this Natvam doesn't happen. Right? That's the question.
Yeah, Natvam doesn't happen. That's
So
what you're
Kuru plus who will become Kuru.
Kurva. That Kurva we know.
Kuru plus who will become, Kuru will be replaced by
Kurva.
then Kur plus who plus Anti. Then you get Kuru plus Anti. So now Nakara is there, Padanta Nakara, and Repa also there, the Mita which can cause Natvam. So Repa and Nara. In between Akara is there, which is permissible. Permissible letter.
Yeah.
Akara. Why Natvam doesn't happen? That was the question. So now,
Yeah.
this is Kuru. Kuru plus Anti. Kuru plus Epa and Ukara and Ukara both are intervening. Doesn't matter. They're possible letters. Kuru plus plus Anti. Okay. And let me, you can also becomes Kurvanti.
Yeah.
You can join Kur plus Anti. Repa. Now it is Bakara. Bakara also permissible.
Yeah, that's also permissible. Yeah.
Okay. Then after that. Now Kurvanti. Kuru plus Nakara plus T.
Yeah.
Nakara is this. Padanta Nakara. Right.
Is that Is it Padanta Nakara?
This is Padanta Nakara.
இல்ல இல்ல நீங்க அப்படியே சொன்னீங்க எனக்கு கேக்குற பிரேக் ஆச்சு வாய்ஸ் அப்படியா
Apadanta nakara. Napadanta nakara. Apadanta nakara.
ஓகே அப்பதான் அந்த நக்காரா எஸ் கரெக்ட் ஓகே
Apadanta nakara followed by
அப்பதான் அந்த நக்காரா followed by தி
T, which is a gel
தக்கரா
letter.
யா
Therefore,
யா ஓகே
therefore, what will happen?
ஓகே அனுஸ்வரா அனுஸ்வரா மாறும்
Anuswara. Kurubamti. Now, this Anuswara will become back to.
Yeah.
When does it happen?
Anunasika. Anunasika.
When does it happen? Kurubamti is Kurubamti form you get now. So this Kurubamti, that Anuswara will be replaced by Nakara. By which rule?
Followed by
seven of the
Kauvan.
Tell me the rule. When does it happen? What is the rule for it? Sandeep?
அனுஸ்வாரஸ்ய பரசவர்ண
Anuswarasya Yi Parasavarna.
யய் பரசவர்ண
Parasavarna.
What is the rule number?
8458
8458. Okay. And what is the rule for Natvam to happen?
Natvam rule, yeah, that is 65 in the Dhatu. No.
Natvam is 841. Please check.
8 okay.
41 or 842. Okay, both. These are the rule for, these are the rule for Natvam. Okay. And this Apadanta Nakara becoming Anuswara, that is Anuswara Sandhi, which is in the 8th chapter, 3rd section. Sutra is 24, I think, 24 or 23. I'll check.
Yeah, 8324. Yeah, 8324.
Nascha Padantasya Jali. Nascha Padantasya Jali.
Nascha Padantasya Jali, yeah.
Padantasya Jali. So by 8324, this Padanta Nakara has become Anuswara. Now, for to happen, Nakara is not available. Nakara is not available. Therefore, come to the Sutra 84.
Next 8458.
Okay. This Anuswara.
Okay.
This Nattam is jumped over by this Sutra because it is not available. Nakara is not available. Right? So, this is what I say. You understand why it doesn't happen? Because Nakara is not available for Nattam to happen. So, therefore, means otherwise, Nattam would have happened. If Nakara is available, 841 would have cost Nattam. Nakara is not there. That is why the order is important. The order of the sutras and the Tripadi. Sutra means the rules. You need not remember the sutra. The meaning of what the sutra means. But I have given in the chat, right?
Yeah.
But remember and follow the order. So 8-3-20.
Looks like a mathematical puzzle.
Yeah, yes. So this is a Kurmanti is a famous Kriyapadam we use, often we use. That this question should come. Why this Nakara doesn't not happen? Of this. Clear? It's clear to you, all of you?
Yes, G. Clear. Yeah.
Okay.
Very clear. Thank you, G.
Even Ramaji, even though we have not discussed about Sutra, it doesn't matter, but you should be able to follow this sequence. Can you follow?
Yeah, yes, Sharanji.
Yeah, in our class, we have seen the Sutra. We have seen these rules.
Rules, yeah. Correct.
Not the Sutra. But applying the rules in the order, you will see that Nattam is jumped over.
Yes.
This is the reason.
Yeah.
And Nattam, I tell you, it's a big adhikara. So you will see some places it happens. That you cannot just know only by this Sutra 841 and 842. Other rules are there in the section which govern whether Nattam happens or not. In a samasa it will happen. Sometimes in a samasa you will find not happening. It may be They have some reason for it. It's a section. Many sutras are there in the section. So we'll stop here.
Okay.
Did we
Yeah,
chat?
धन्यवाद. Yes, you did, जी.
Okay. धन्यवाद.
Thank you. धन्यवाद.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಜಿ
धन्यवाद.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ